Do you have iOS 26? You should change these 7 settings immediately. This iOS update is a game changer with privacy and AI features. Let's optimize your iPhone. Hi, this is Mendit Tech. Today, I'll show you 7 must-do things after installing iOS 26. Let's make your iPhone faster, safer, and even smarter. iOS 26 enhances daily interactions and boosts privacy significantly. Explore key features redefining user control and convenience now. We'll get started right away. To turn on Adaptive Privacy Lock, go to Settings, then Face ID and Passcode. Face ID automatically locks your phone, providing instant privacy in public. For Smart Charging 2.0, go to Battery, then Charging Optimization. This will extend your iPhone's battery life significantly. To activate AI Battery Saver, enable it in your battery settings. Go to Privacy and Security to update app permissions and limit app access. For focus mode enhancements, find AI-suggested modes based on your calendar and focus settings. Activate AI Cleanup in iPhone storage under General Settings. Turn on Enhanced Siri integration to enable AI features for proactive suggestions. Customize the control center easily. Swipe down from the top right and tap Edit Controls to personalize. Group toggles, add focus modes, or pin app shortcuts quickly. Everything's one tap away for efficiency. Use live translation anywhere effectively. Long press text to translate, making communication seamless and easy. Messages, Safari, and screenshots are fully supported. It's perfect for travelers, ensuring complete privacy. Activate App Tracking Transparency Pro today. Apple upgraded this feature, giving deeper insight into your data. See exactly why an app requests permission now. Go to Settings Privacy Tracking to manage data well. AI Summaries. Use AI summaries in messages and mail. Open Mail, tap the AI Summary feature. It gives a concise overview of emails and chats, a time saver for work. Reset focus modes after iOS updates. They often reset unexpectedly. Update notifications and check focus filters to ensure correct settings. This prevents missed calls or silent alarms, keeping productivity on track. 7 quick changes to master iOS 26. Like and subscribe to Mendit Tech for more fixes. Next, we're covering iPhone 2026 hardware leaks coming soon.